Welcome everyone. Really quick little intro into TinkerCAD. If you haven't had a play around with it yet, I'd really encourage you to do so. It's actually a lot cooler than I initially gave it credit for. So firstly, just a little bit about the interface. Just like the other Autodesk software, we've got this view cube here, which allows us to move the space around. Okay, that's really important to know. Also, it is set as a default to the perspective view. That's quite nice when you're looking three-dimensionally at our objects, but I would firstly recommend that you switch to the orthographic view so that you're looking at the objects two-dimensionally. We've got this import and export here, which allows us to export objects for 3D printing or for laser cutting. And this import obviously allows you to import three-dimensional objects that you might have gotten from somewhere or somewhere like that. Over here we've got all of our basic, they call them shapes. I don't love that they call them shapes, but anyway. So they've got all of these preloaded, and then of course you can go into different options to find different types of shapes. And then the magnifying glass so that you can search the community library. Up here we've got some pretty cool functions, so you can turn your design into a Lego sort of model or a Minecraft model. If you are looking on your iPad, there's actually another option here as well that allows you to do stuff with AI, which is very, very cool. So that's probably about all for the interface. Down here we've got our grid options, so you can actually turn the grid off completely. That blue grid is set for a default 200 millimeters by 200 millimeters. You can make it bigger, but you don't really need it. You can go beyond that grid space anyway. And this snap grid is default to 1 millimeter, but you can change it or turn it off altogether. So that's just a little bit about the interface. Good stuff.